The construction industry in Tanzania is experiencing a bittersweet moment. While construction is booming, the government reports that prices of building materials have in some cases risen by up to 80% in the last year. From big construction projects to small ones, those running them say they are feeling the pinch.
You
have a target of building your house within 6 months, but because of the hike in prices, it takes you well over a year. This has been affecting us when it comes to construction.
The government says in the hope of greater profit, cement and steel bar manufacturers in the country are producing well below their capacity, artificially raising prices in the process. A long and sometimes delayed distribution chain is also forcing suppliers to hike prices.
I'm directing all manufacturers of building materials, distributors, and those selling these materials to immediately lower prices of these products that they have indiscriminately hiked and without good cause. They should sell these products based on actual cost of production and distribution.
Cement prices in the country have risen 15% in the last quarter alone, with steel and iron sheet prices rising by an average of 6% in the same period. To curb the problem, the government says it will begin hunting down price fixers, hoarders, and those selling building materials on the black market.
Suppliers of building materials claim that high shipping costs are contributing to the rise in prices of many imported products from countries like China, India, and South Africa. This, coupled with challenges of local manufacturing, means that by the time building materials get to construction sites like these, they're already quite expensive.
Caught in the middle of manufacturers and consumers, major suppliers of construction materials in the country say sometimes there's very little they can do to affect prices. But they argue that lowering taxes will go a long way in reducing temptations on the part of local manufacturers to hike prices.
With lower taxes, the flow of trade will be visible. We will begin seeing some profits that we will in turn invest into the business. So I think it will be a win-win situation where we get products and more cash flow, but the government also gets some tax.
With the construction industry contributing about 15% to the country's GDP, the government says it is critical that prices come down. By doing so, it says it will be able to maintain a healthy pace of recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic. Lukando, CGTN, Dar es Salaam.